In a world that's more connected than ever, millions of people are choosing to live and work outside their home countries. But moving abroad is not just about a new job or a new view. It's about feeling welcomed, accepted, and at home. Every year, the International Expat Insider Survey reveals the best countries for foreigners to live in. So, in 2025, which nations have opened their hearts and homes to expats the most? Let's find out the top 10 friendliest countries in the world. Malaysia, known for its cultural mix of Malay, Chinese, and Indian traditions, stands out for its incredible hospitality. Expats say they easily make local friends here, and the low cost of living makes it even better. From the skyscrapers of Kuala Lumpur to the beaches of Langkawi, Malaysia offers a balance of modern comfort and tropical charm. Spain continues to shine with its relaxed lifestyle, warm people, and endless sunshine. Whether it's sharing tapas with friends, enjoying music in the streets, or just a friendly hola from neighbors, Spain knows how to make newcomers feel welcome. Expats say life here feels like one long holiday, mixed with a strong sense of community. Indonesia, a land of more than 17,000 islands, is not just paradise for travelers, it's home for thousands of expats. From Bali's beaches to Jakarta's bustling life, locals are known for their kindness and curiosity towards foreigners. It's a place where a simple smile can turn strangers into friends. The UAE is a melting pot of nationalities. Over 80% of its population are expats. From Dubai's futuristic skyline to Abu Dhabi's cultural heritage, the UAE blends luxury with opportunity. Despite its fast-paced life, expats say they feel respected and supported, thanks to strong community networks and safety. China surprises many newcomers with its modern cities and deep cultural roots. Expats often mention the friendliness of locals who go out of their way to help foreigners adjust. Whether it's sharing a meal or teaching a few Mandarin words, the warmth of human connection stands strong amidst the rapid modernization. Vietnam offers a vibrant mix of old and new. The friendliness of its people, the affordability of life, and the delicious street food make it one of Asia's most loved expat destinations. Expats often say, "You come for the beauty, but stay for the people." The land of smiles truly lives up to its name, from Bangkok's busy markets to the peaceful beaches of Phuket. Thai locals are famous for their politeness and welcoming nature. Expats often find settling here easy, thanks to the nation's open-hearted culture and rich traditions. Mexico consistently ranks among the friendliest nations on earth. Here, community means everything. Neighbors invite you for family dinners, festivals fill the streets, and laughter is part of everyday life. It's not just a place to live, it's a place to belong. Colombia has overcome its past to become one of the most welcoming countries in the Latin America. Expats say the locals' warmth is unmatched. People are genuinely curious, helpful, and full of joy. With beautiful mountains, music, and coffee culture, Colombia proves that kindness is a nation's greatest treasure. And at number 1, Panama. This Central American gem tops the 2025 ranking for being the most welcoming and friendly country for expats. Panama offers an easy lifestyle, year-round sunshine, and a strong sense of community. Locals greet foreigners with open arms, and English is widely spoken, making it even easier to settle in. From the stunning Panama Canal to the laid-back beaches of Bocas del Toro, this small nation shows that happiness grows where people feel at home. In the end, being friendly is not about language, culture, or geography. It's about the simple human act of kindness, a smile, a helping hand, a shared meal. These 10 countries remind us that no matter where you are from, there's always a place in the world that feels like home. So, where would you feel most at home? Let us know in the comments.